Shaka Yadav.
Yes,
So you belong to this clan of Lord Krishna?
sir, it is said so that
It is.
Yadavas.
Yadavs. He was a
are-
Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. And he was a king.
Yeah, sir. He was the king of Dwarka,
Very
the
nice.
present day city in.
All
Uttar
right,
Pradesh.
all right. And what are you doing now, Vishaka, after doing your B.Tech from Delhi College of Engineering?
Yes.
That's a good college.
Yes, sir. So I was placed from college itself in Cisco Systems, Bangalore.
In
Cisco Systems, Bangalore.
Cisco Systems,
Yes, sir.
Bangalore. All right.
So I worked there for 2 years, and then I decided to quit the job and then dedicatedly prepare for this exam. And this is my third attempt. I could not clear prelims in first 2 attempts, and my first interview also.
So you're getting there gradually.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So first
Trying.
attempt you didn't clear the prelims.
Sir,
Second
second
attempt you
also.
cleared the prelims.
No, sir, I did not clear.
Both attempts, no, you didn't
Yes,
clear
sir.
the prelims. This
Yes.
year you cleared the prelims
And
and the
mains,
mains, and now going for the interview.
Yes.
Good, good. You're making progress.
So perhaps my strategy failed in first 2 attempts. So yes.
Great, great, great.
From
And where do you
all the
live?
3 attempts you had Pol Science as well optional.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And tell me now, why do you want to join the civil services?
So my
IAS, IPS, why?
So my father works in Delhi Police. So a major portion of inspiration has been drawn from my father itself. But having said that, sir, I wanted to gain financial independence and professional experience. So that is why I decided to join the corporate for 2 years, and then I dedicatedly prepared for this because I could not manage, sir, 2 things.
Cisco is a multinational,
Yes, sir, it's a multinational company.
well-paid job,
Yes, sir, very well paid.
very well paid. Then what made you quit?
Sir, I always wanted to do this, get into the civil services only, as I
Why?
said. Sir, because the opportunity the service provides is uncomparable, sir, to any other service which is present today. And sir, if I feel if I can contribute even a minute part in the nation building through this service,
नेशन
it would
बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है भैया.
yes, sir.
नेशन बिल्डिंग तो भैया और लोगों को करने दो. छोटा छोटा कुछ करो. नेशन बिल्डिंग, you're talking like Sardar Patel and all those people. Nation building नहीं, yes, something for society.
So yes.
Something that may be better. Acha, please go ahead. Tell me, how do you spend? What are your hobbies?
So I like to watch TED Talks.
You like to watch?
TED Talks. So technology, entertainment and design.
Okay.
TED
and,
Talks.
and do you play any games?
Yes, sir. Basketball. I play basketball. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As in when I get time, there's a court near my house.
But
And-
one has to be tall to be able to get it. Are you tall? She
Sir,
is tall.
I am average.
Let
height.
her answer, Baba. I'm asking her. Huh?
Sir, I am 5 feet 5 inch. I might not be very tall, but I used to
for
play.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
More tall than most Indian
Yes.
women. Yeah.
So I used to play as a forward runner in my team. I have even played in corporate basketball tournaments.
Good.
In school and college also, sir, I have played.
Very nice.
Your father is in the police.
Yes, sir.
What do you think ails the Indian police?
What is the problem with Indian police? What ails the Indian police?
So, Indian police, so first of all, the problem is actually the constabulary issues, I would say. 87% of the workforce constitutes the constabulary class. So there is a lot of work-life balance issues. There's a lot of stress sometimes. It is also said that the job is not very well paid. And sir, there is a lot of modernization issues also. The funds which are allocated to the police are not being utilized properly. So that is one thing. But sir, having said that, there are a lot of steps which are being taken to correct the vacancies, the pitfalls, and technology is playing a very important role in that, sir.
Is the police corrupt?
Sir, I wouldn't say so. Yes, there is a perception that police is not performing up to the mark when it comes to layman and citizens. But so there are always corrupt elements or vested interest in any walk of the life. So we can't say a entire police force would be a corrupt institution. Because, sir, our country is by and large working very well when it comes to law and administration. So a major credit of that goes to the police also, sir.
Today there was a very important news item regarding the forces. Have you read the newspaper?
Yes, sir, women have been given, Supreme Court has actually given the
What
judgment.
has it done?
Sir, women have been given the given the permanent commission. So after 14 years of their service, they can opt for permanent commission, sir.
Is it in combat forces, non-combat forces?
Sir, in commanding roles and combat forces also now, because Supreme Court has held that gradually women should be given level playing field if they are fulfilling the criteria as per their male counterparts. So it's a move towards the equality as it is said.
There was another news item today
Yes.
about some British MP. Did you read about it?
Sir, I have read, but I cannot recall it clearly, so I wouldn't comment on it.
No, it was just a news item. It's
Yes, sir, I'm sorry, I could not recall it.
Okay, now,
Have you been able to meet Kiran Bedi?
Not yet, sir, but yes, she's a very prominent figure.
Is she a role model or?
Sir, she's a very inspiring lady. Yes, sir, she's a very inspiring lady, but not exactly a role model. My personal role model is Sir Abdul Kalam Azad, but I find inspiration from her too, sir.
As a personality, what are the positives that you have which will make a good civil servant?
Sir, I believe a good civil servant should have a wider perspective so that he or she can accommodate
What do you
diverse.
have?
Sir, I
Give
have.
me 2 negatives and 2 positives about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think I have the ability and patience to listen to diverse perspectives and then come to a balanced conclusion. And secondly, sir, I would say I have empathy. To be able to connect to the problems of a layman, of our citizens on a daily basis is what is the job of a civil servant, sir.
And what are the 2 negatives that you have?
So negatives, I would say that I would like to work on my emotional intelligence, sir, because sometimes we tend to get swayed in our emotions. That should not basically hamper our balanced judgment. And secondly, sir, I would say that I would like to fix my procrastination tendencies, sir. Sometimes we don't work exactly as what we have planned. So I would like to be more disciplined and planned.
You have reached this stage, how can you be procrastinating?
So not always, sir, but I would say in minute things, sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, tell me the national education policies on the annual.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are asked to make 3 suggestions for it, what would they be?
So first of all, I would like to work towards the enrollment ratio issue. The enrollment part and the sustenance with it is really poor, sir. Even though children are getting enrolled in early, like primary or secondary classes, they're not able to sustain. Then there are a lot of dropout issues, sir. So I would like to
How
work
would
on.
you address that?
So there are multiple ways, but these workers, sir, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, and even common service centers in rural areas, they can be leveraged to ensure that they monitor and incentives can be given to families and
Two more
students.
suggestions.
And sir, technology can be a huge enabler. If a student feels in a classroom that he is learning something, he is able to imbibe something through maybe smart boards, digital boards, or some creative learning exercise, I would say, he would be more willing to come to school next day. So, sir, that would be a good thing, like the Delhi government model of education, sir. The creative learning classrooms, sir. So that would be a good step.
And third,
Mm. Sir, third would be the infrastructure side. Our school infrastructure should be such that students and even parents are willing to send their students.
okay.
Sanitation.
Tell me, who was the first lady computer programmer after whom language has also been, computer language has also been named?
Sir, Grace Hopper is the worldwide first lady computer
Is she?
programmer.
Are you sure?
Sir, I'm not sure to my limited knowledge, sir.
She's not. Anyway, what are the rights of the senior citizens? What is the law regarding senior citizens? Are you aware? You will be a senior citizen sooner
Yes.
or later.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me.
Sir, we have a national policy, sir, a national policy
Is there
on
any
senior
national
citizens.
policy? Is there any laws?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir, I can't recall currently.
No problems. Tell me the highlights of the National Health Policy 2017.
Sir, national health policy aims to address the nutrition, undernutrition, and stunting and wasting issues. We have
I
also
thought that was the
Poshan Abhiyan. Sir, yes,
but
it
I am
was.
talking of the National Health Policy
Sir,
2017.
So firstly, the budget perspective, we have set an ambitious target of 2.5% of GDP
Very good.
for our,
by which year?
so by 2022, sir, 25, sir, 25.
Okay.
And sir, it is also envisaged that all the interministerial programs and departments have to be collated, and all the ICDS, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, midday meal schemes, they have to work in tandem to achieve the stated goals. Also, sir, primary healthcare has been given a very sharp focus
Okay, fine.
under.
Now, my last question to you is, how would you explain blockchain to a layperson? Blockchain.
Sir, in a very layman terms, I would try to explain blockchain as a spider web, sir. A cobweb sort of thing, which is connected together so that when an electrical impulse or anything is sent, it travels throughout the network. A sort of mesh network, because that's what blockchain is. It's a decentralized ledger which every node gets the copy of the updation of any transaction that's happening.
Good. Wonderful.
History has heroes and icons. Who's your hero or icon?
Sir, Mahatma Gandhi has been my personal look up to figure in
Why?
history.
Why?
So-
What are the features which make in his personality which make him your icon in contrast or in comparison to others who have been in history?
So the very famous tandems are non-violence, truth, Sir, Sarvadharma Sambhav, basically accommodation for different religious perspectives. Especially, sir, for our country, we have so much diversity in our country. So that's why. And sir, also his approach towards things, his empathy towards people, like Daridra Narayan, sir, the way he thinks of upliftment of poor and downtrodden. Our country needs that, sir.
So, coming still with Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, sir.
What would have been India's present scenario if Mahatma Gandhi had not existed? If he was not there.
Sir, it's,
If we had got independence without him, what would have been the scenario?
sir, I think many ethos and principles of our country are rooted in his teachings and ideas. And honestly, sir, I can't imagine if we would have been getting independence the way we have had he not been there. His major portion was to prevent casualties and prevent violence to maximum extent, sir. Especially, sir, our country was that time divided on religious lines between Hindus and Muslims. So, sir, he played a very instrumental role in creating a bond of fraternity and integration towards it. Although the partition happened, sir, but still there was a lot of amicability which was there between different factions. And also, sir, our constitutional values, our DPSP, also have this Gandhian ideology imbibed. Our secular nature of our country, tolerance and pluralism. So, sir, that I would say is a great contribution of Gandhi. So,
As we hear very often these days, that we have started forgetting Gandhi ji, or we
Yes,
have
sir.
forgotten Gandhian values.
yes, sir.
So, how do you feel that Gandhi ji is still relevant, or has he become irrelevant in the present situation?
So, Gandhiji's thoughts can never be irrelevant,
But-
may it be any period of time. Yes.
But why are we gradually seeing our country drifting towards things which are un-Gandhian?
So, yes, there have been instances where people tend to fall into prey to their passions. There are vested interests also. But I think, sir, this is the time when we need to remind ourselves all the more that what are our basic values, what is the foundation of our country, and how we have to stick to it. So this is the time when Gandhian ideology finds all the more prominence.
Still relevant.
Yes, sir, it will always be relevant, sir.
Okay. Vishakha, your name reminds me of one Vishak Datta. You know who was he?
Yes, sir, he was an ancient playwright, sir. Vishakha Datta. He wrote Mudrakshas.
Mudrakshas.
Yes, sir, if I'm not wrong, sir.
Right. Regarding Indian independence, the Honorable Member asked you a very nice question about Gandhi,
Yes, sir.
and you seem to be over enthusiastic about Mahatma Gandhi. So my point is that regarding Indian independence, do we have any document saying that India became independent on Fala date? Or through the viceroyalty that we give independence to India? Do we have any document of that thought?
Sir, I can recall India Independence Act. It could be in the
Nowhere
statute.
in Indian Independence Act of 1935,
No, sir, 1947. Sir.
1947.
Indian Independence
Nowhere
Act
it
was-
is written that India becomes independent.
Yes.
We have written in archives, I have gone through the archives and it is written that
Yes, sir.
India becomes divided.
Yes.
This portion will be Pakistan and this portion will be Hindustan. But nowhere it is said that we give independence to India.
Independence. Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me something about Sabarimala. Why it isn't so much news? And why Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, took this much of time to talk about Sabarimala, which took 70 years to decide the matter of Ram Janmabhoomi,
Yes.
and various other very important aspects they are leaving in oblivion.
Yes.
But regarding Sabarimala, regarding Ujjain temple, this much of water should be put in Shivling.
Yes.
Regarding these tiny matters, they are poking their nose in,
Yes.
not such as important things. So how about Sabarimala? What was that? The bone of contention.
So Sabrimala is a religious place which has its own spiritual way of worshipping the deity.
Who is the main deity over there?
Sir, Lord Ayappa, he is said to be Nashtik Brahmachari. Basically, he has
Nashtik.
Nashtik, sir, Nashtik.
I couldn't get this word. Nastik. Nastik or Nashtik? What you are saying?
Nashtik, sir, Nashtik.
Okay. I mean,
Sir, like utmost brahmacharya he had
okay.
adopted,
Tell
basically.
me something about Ayappan, Lord Ayappan. Who was he?
Sir, Lord Ayappan belonged to the basically, sir, Vaishnava sect, sir, if I'm not. I'm
Lord
sorry.
Ayappan was a son of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva.
Yes, sir.
When Vishnu was in Mohini Roop, then
He was born.
he was born.
Yes.
And basically, why women were prohibited to enter Sabarimala? Women of a particular, between a particular age group.
Age group. Sir, basically women from a particular age group were menstruating, and since they were of menstruating age, and it was a long journey of 30 to 40 days, so it was not physically convenient
But
for
they
them.
considered it to be unclean.
Unpure. Yes, sir.
Okay, pure in the
Purity issue, sir.
What is who is the prince of Machiavelli? The family name. And what is the Machiavellian theory regarding the best monarch? I want to ask you this thing.
Sir, Machiavellian prince was a very, if in one sentence I would say he was sharp as a lion and a fox, sir,
This is
basically.
a common phrase
Yes.
written for the Medici family and
Medici
particularly the
family.
prince
Prince, sir.
as a whole. But in a nutshell and in a very rude language, it is said the main monarch, the ideal monarch of Machiavelli would be a bastard son of a bastard father, because he was very much anti-corruption.
Anti-corruption.
So a bastard son cannot be, I mean, he will not be aware of who is my father, who is my son. So naturally, it was his concept.
Yes.
And who said that religion is an opium?
Sir, Karl Marx was of this view that religion is the opium of masses. Because religion is a very strong driving force when it comes to mobilization of people. And sometimes it sends people into darkness, as evident in the dark ages of the medieval
That is
times.
the reason long ago he wrote that if India has to develop, then Hinduism and Islam should have to die and then should again take a rebirth.
Yes, sir.
Is one, sir.
How was your interview? How did you feel?
Sir, I feel I should prepare better.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You did fairly well. Okay, you were poised and you were well informed, positive. You had good communications, language skills, and a couple of suggestions from our side is that speak more loudly.
So, yes.
You're speaking too softly.
Yes.
You speak a little more loudly so that you sound more confident of what you're saying, and be a little more brief in your answer.
Yes.
You had a tendency to go on and on and on. गांधी जी अब ठीक है, गांधी जी थे, ये गांधी जी ने ये किया, गांधी जी ने वो किया, ये सब ठीक है, सबको मालूम है.
Actually, sir, मुझे पता नहीं चला where to stop because he did not say anything, so I thought probably he wants to know more.
No, वो तो ये
I could
बैठे
not
रहते हैं, इनका
listen.
स्टाइल है, सुनते हैं, बोलते नहीं है, वो देखते हैं अब क्या आप क्या रही है ना, ये है ना. तो ये बेचारी देख रही थी कि ये और
Sir,
सुनना चाहते
actually,
हैं और सुनना चाहते
हाँ
हैं.
sir, I did not.
हाँ?
I could not understand, sir, how much I should speak.
Yeah, हम लोग I didn't want to cut you short because you should speak out जो बोलना चाह रही हो.
Yes,
You should have your say, but you did well.
Well,
You did well. You did well.
All the best.
थोड़ा सा audible हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा
So I'll work
Precise
on my
हो जाओ.
voice, sir. Yes.
You are able to make your point clearly.
When is the interview?
So 18th March.
18 March. Good luck. All the best. Vishal.
अभी तो time है.
health policy का issue था.
Yes, sir.
Where's your father posted?
Sir, DCP office, Dwarka, sir.
Where?
DCP office, Dwarka.
Dwarka, matlab west.
Dwarka, yes, sir. Southwest Delhi.
Southwest district.
Yes, sir.
Dwarka.
God willing, you will be.
You should make.
You'll make it.
And sir, sorry on health policy and all of sudden it could not click my mind.
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं.
जहाँ न समझो तो tactfully मतलब घुमा फिरा के निकाल
She was
जाओ.
knowing the answer, but
She knew it. She gave the answer.
हाँ,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So,
No, not to worry.
You did well.
Don't
You
worry
did well.
about it.
Don't get
Have
you-
confidence in yourself.
See, you cannot know everything.
yes, sir.
But whatever you do know, you say confidently. Others, you say. But don't guess.
Yes, sir. I would say.
You say, कि I'm afraid, I do not recall, I do not remember. That's all. Good.
Thank you so
भगवान
much.
साथ देगा तुम्हारा. Don't worry.